Hello my paper crafting family, and welcome to the Valentine's craft edition of Paper and Joy. This month we are making these little gift tags. So they're a little bit versatile because you can either use them for Valentine's Day gifts, or I thought maybe also Christmas gifts. So given the red sort of colours, you might want to pop a button on there and make it into a plum pudding, or just have different arrangements of the buttons for Christmas. So we can get creative with those, and hope you enjoy that. So let's go and see what you get in your craft packs. Okay, so in your packs you will get 4 gift tags, the bases. You will get 12 buttons in varying shades of red. So some might be a little bit more pink, some might be a little bit more orange, something might be a little bit more maroon. You will get 4 silver ribbons, a heart template, and then you'll also need, it's your choice, either black or red pen, fine liner, texter of what you would like to outline your heart on your tag in. Okay, let's get crafting. So grab a scrap piece of paper for your gluing, and a card base, and also your heart template. And we're going to cut out the template, and you can cut around the black. It doesn't need to be inside, because we're just going to trace around that. So I'll just finish mine. Okay, and then you can decide whether you want to use red or black. I'm going to go red. So this sits quite close to the edge, and sort of then just line it up sort of in the middle there, and allow enough sort of room for the thickness of your texture to do the drawing around, and then trace it round. Sure you hold the template nice and firm so it doesn't move and you don't get wobbly tracing marks. You might have to reposition your fingers. There we go. Okay, so we have our heart outline, and now we can get 3 buttons. So each of the card has enough, so you've got 3 buttons for each card, and that will make your 4 cards. And as you can see, they're sort of different shades, and I thought that might be a bit more fun. And that's what they came in when I bought them. So now, if you have liquid glue at home, it's maybe easier, but the glue stick will work just as well. So what we're going to do is glue 1 down the bottom and 2 up the top to make our little button heart. So quite a bit of glue. You may want to do the bottom one first, but they'll all just fit in there because it's sort of designed to fit. A little bit of space around the buttons, but just to make it a bit of a feature. So just space them out so there's an even gap around. Okay. And then grab one of your ribbons. Now, if you want, you can do a ribbon. And this one will go, sorry, I'll grab one off. So they're just stuck on here, but they don't stick. You sort of have to peel it off with your thumb, and then we need to re-stick it. It doesn't actually stick when you peel them off. So we will put some glue onto this little foam piece here, and then that goes just up the top there, and then you write the name. Now, they are small, and yeah, if you want to do something different, like these don't have to be for Valentine's Day gifts. If you'd like to reserve them for Christmas, they would look great as Christmas tags. They've got the red sort of theme, which is a good Christmas colour. So you could do just, I don't know, 3 buttons would line up down the side, or 2 buttons at the end, or even keep the hearts for Christmas. That's always a nice thing. So yeah, see how you can be creative with those, and that is the finished gift tag. So I hope you have fun with those, and that the people you give them to like them. So then, yeah, just write the person's name in that space there. Okay, have fun with those. We'll see you next time.